Red. You get the color red. Red. You get the color red. Color the pizza red. Okay, no excess, ha? Understand? No excess. No excess. Slowly and no excess. Look at your wood. Then after that, the color of the cheese is yellow. Get the yellow. Get the yellow. Yellow. Cheese. The cheese. The color of the flag is red. It's Chinese flag. It's color red. Then after the cheese, you color the flag red. Okay, that's very nice. Good job. Okay, get the color red again. Okay, the flag, no excess. Mm-mm. No excess, anak. Slowly on. Yeah, you can do it, I know. But no, do it without excess. No excess, anak. Okay, do it, no excess. Slowly. Okay, you color this part yellow. The stars here. Get the yellow again. No excess, anak, ha? No excess, the stars. Yeah, very good. And then the next one is the coin. You color the coin orange. Yes, hindi ko makuha ng mga colors. Ano ginagawa? The coin. The coin only, ha? The coin. Oh! Careful. The coin. Very good. Then after the coin, you will color the window blue. You get the blue and then color the window blue. Ganyan yung extend. Diba?
Yun na mismo yung exam. Yun mismo.
Next week, sa school lang. Hindi siya, take home exam mo. The blue. Blue for the window. Yes, very good. No excess, anak, but it's okay. It's okay. Don't remove it. Okay, the window, it's color blue. No excess, ha? Careful. Oh, there's an excess. There's no excess. Sure, so many excess now. Slowly only. Very good. And then, you color the door brown. The color brown for the door. I think the brownies is there. There. Beside my bag.
It's mommy's for
Yeah, it's the same. Okay, the door. That's for the door. Hindi na siya kumukulta sa kulay. Hindi na siya yung kung anong kulay na gusto niya. Very good. No excess. Look at your work. Okay, and then the color of the boat is color green. The color green. Color of the boat. Color of the boat is green. Green. Green.
Gigigil kasi siya eh.
Okay, that's for the boat. That's for the boat. Yes ba? Naman. Sama mo na siya sa tour.
Ulit niya.
And then the other side also, you color it. Then,
Bakit nagigigil siya?
lahat sila magkakaklase. And then the last one, you color the button black. The button. Sure, the button. Ay! The button, the button. Get the color black for the button. Slowly lang ha, no excess. Circle. Circle color like that. The button. Slowly, anak. Sira-sira na yung...
Slowly only.
You want help? You want help?
Yes.
Get it. Okay, no excess anak on the button. This one, this one. No excess.
What your work?
But sure work anak, circular color, circle color.
No excess.
Okay, and then mommy will cut it. Pictures. Cut all the pictures muna. Then you will stick it on the proper column of shape. Understand? So, let's go first. Cut first the pizza. Okay, that's enough anak, that's enough. You're gonna break it. You will not have another glue if you break that. The first one is the pizza. Where you gonna put? Ay! Ka! Sira. Sure. Where you gonna put the pizza? You will stick the pizza.
So, I'm out holding down this train.
Ayan. Where you gonna put the pizza? The triangle ha. Pizza is triangle. You put it on the triangle column. Okay, very good. And then this one is
I should cut it. No
what's the
sense.
shape of the coin? Where you gonna put the coin? On the circle shape. Circle ha? Where's the circle? Sure, where's the circle? You put it on the circle. There, very good. Ayusin mo naman. Hindi na magkakasya yung iba dyan. Okay, and the window is, what's the shape of the window? Square. You put it on the square column.
Oh,
Careful lang, careful. Sa school niya dapat ito gagawin. Nawala ng kuryente na. Get it. Very good. And then, what's the shape of the door? It's rectangle. You put it on the rectangle column.
Okay na ba ako? Chinelas.
Pinagdadalaan siya yung last.
Parang bukas.
And then another triangle. You put that on the triangle column.
Uh,
What's that? The triangle. The triangle. Under the pizza. Very good. Under the pizza. Then, ay. What's the shape of the botones?
Pare-parehas sila ng glue.
Then put that on the circle shape under the points. Very good. And then you're gonna put now what's the next one? The flag. What's the shape of the flag? What's the shape of the flag? What's the shape?
Pilipinas.
It's not Filipinas, it's Chinese. It's Chinese flag.
It's the dragon.
What's the shape of the flag?
And the dragon.
That's actually rectangle. That's rectangle. You put that on the rectangle. There. Okay.
Let's take.
Then this one is square. No.
If it's
The square, it's a square.
yeah.
You're done now? Take picture. We'll take picture. Move your hands. Move your hands.